Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on withdrawing from the OlympTrade broker using the Skrill method. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using Skrill, and now to withdraw, we need to open our accounts, select the desired account, and click on the withdrawal option. On the withdrawal page, we need to add the desired payment and click on the Skrill method. Please note that the minimum withdrawal amount for this method is $10. On this page, as you can see, based on your $20 balance, you can withdraw up to approximately 18s. The remaining amount will be deducted as a fee. After entering the amount, click on the withdrawal option. Well, as you can see, our withdrawal request has been successfully registered. And according to the website, 97% of withdrawal requests will be processed in less than 24 hours. To view the details of this transaction, you can go to the Payments Transaction section and see the complete details of this transaction. Well, as you can see, our withdrawal operation was successfully completed in less than 30 minutes. And you can see the withdrawn balance in your Skrill account. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials.